Hello, rebels and rock and roll retirees. Are you tired of the same old cruise options? Dodging children in the hallway in the Lido deck, that dreary buffet, and being told when to eat dinner? Well, darling, we are throwing all your preconceived notions about cruising overboard. Let's talk about being a rock star on Virgin Voyages. But before we get into what it means to be a rock star on Virgin Voyages, let's talk about everything that you get regardless of which cabin you choose. First of all, 20 plus eateries, and they're all included. You don't have to go off paying extra for the good food on this cruise. Every one of your basic drinks. This includes sodas, teas, drip coffee, and non-pressed juices. All of your workout classes. If you want to do yoga up on the perch in the morning, it's included. How about an 80s workout? It's included. Wi-Fi, that's included. You're not paying extra so that you can be able to stay connected. And my personal favorite, gratuities. No uncomfortable envelope at the end of the cruise for you. The crew is already taken care of, so you don't have to worry about tipping. And this may already make you feel like a rock star, but hey, this is only the opening act. Let's get you to the backstage pass. Now, there is another level above Rockstar that you want to hang in to learn about. But before we get there, let's elevate you from just being part of the crowd to part of the entourage. The Rockstar suites are massive cabins featuring huge bathrooms, marble, and huge terraces that you can sit out and watch the stars, or maybe sit and sip some bubbly under the sun from your champagne table. There are 4 different cabin options: the Seriously Suite, Brilliant Suite, the Cheeky Corner Suite, and our personal favorite, the Sweet Ass Suite, so you can view the wake of the ship from a massive sea terrace. But being a rock star isn't just about having a bigger room, it's also about having a higher level of pampering. And that starts with getting on board. You have priority embarkation, along with your own special entrance where you will be able to enter and be on board before anybody else is even there. You'll already be there with a glass of bubbly in hand. And that priority also extends to all the shows and entertainment. You'll also have access to Richard's Rooftop, which is an exclusive members-only area with its own hot tubs, loungers, bar, and don't miss the exclusive champagne hour to kick off the evening's festivities. And each room also features its own bar. This is not your stupid little mini fridge that offers your $5 can of Coke or a $250 bag of stale pretzels. We are talking a full top shelf bar, and the first round is on the house. And every cabin is assigned a Rockstar agent. This individual is there to change your dinner reservations, help you book an excursion. Anything you need to have done, they're there to serve as your concierge. No waiting in line at travel services for you. And my personal favorite, every room has its own record player, stocked with your own vinyl records of your choosing. I would personally choose U2's Joshua Tree. Which record would you have your concierge choose for you? As I mentioned, there's another level above Rockstar. But before we get into that, be sure to show us some love and hit like and subscribe. Now, maybe you're not part of the entourage. Maybe you're the headliner. That's when you book the Mega Rockstar. These are truly huge staterooms, starting with the 570 square foot gorgeous suite all the way up to the 2,147 square foot massive suite. We're talking massive bathrooms, an outdoor shower, and in the case of the massive suite, its own private music room stocked with guitars that you can play. I don't know that I'd take one down to play. These suites also come with an extra level of service. You're trading in that tour bus for the private jet. The massive suites include complimentary bar service. This goes beyond the first round is on us. The bar in your room will be restocked throughout your cruise, And every cocktail under $25 throughout the ship is complimentary. And if you want a couple of bottles of wine or bubbly, you can get those as long as they're less than $90 each for free. Complimentary access to the ship's thermal suite is also included. The sauna, the steam room, the salt room, the mud room, they're all complimentary. And you don't have to worry about fighting through traffic getting to and from the port. You have a VIP private transfer that would be provided to you, so your cruise will get started even before you see the ship. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the Mega Rockstars also get complimentary laundry service. So that way you can pack lighter. But honestly, if somebody else is handling the luggage, are you really going to do that? And all of this is arranged with your personal Rockstar agent, who will actually contact you before the cruise to make sure everything is set up exactly the way you want it. Even if you don't upgrade, Virgin Voyages will make you feel like a rock star. Now, if you'll excuse me, I believe there's a cocktail up on the rooftop with my name on it. Type Virgin in the comments for my personal Rockstar link.